Hey guys, welcome back! And here we go with the next exciting part of our Shadow and Bone adventure. I really hope you enjoy this. And if you do, please show your support. Let's get right into it. Int Monastery Catacombs, Night Zayan's reflection flickers again. This time, it shows him holding the complete eye. Our three heroes stare at the mirror shard. Alina, why is it only showing you? Zayan defensively, I don't know. I didn't ask for this. As he speaks, the shard glows and pulls them all into a shared vision. A memory from the eye itself. Naira reaches out to touch Zayan, but he flinches away. She looks hurt. We see a young warrior identical to Zayan taking the eye from its hiding place. He seals it away, muttering something about its power being too great to be left unchecked. Then he drives a stake through his hand, pressing his bloody palm against the eye before vanishing. The warrior turns to the camera and whispers, "Only my blood can awaken it again." Rayaan looks shaken by the vision. "Rayaan, you're not just chosen. You're connected." The vision ends, and they're thrown back into the catacombs. It's safe. Later, she warns them that the hollow flame is closing in fast. Alina confronts Zayan. Naira watches them from a distance. Tensions are high. Alina, you should have told us. Zayan agitated. I didn't know. I still don't. Naira steps in, interrupting their argument. He cries out in surprise. The others rush to his aid. Naira, we need to get to the next site. Now, they don't argue further, but the tension between Alina and Zayan remains. A fierce battle erupts. The fold, a monstrous creature made of shadow and flame, swoops down toward them. It knocks Alina off her feet and sends her sprawling on the ground. She screams for help. Zayan, momentarily distracted by the monster, inadvertently activates the eye shard, sending a bolt of dark energy toward the fold. It howls in pain, recoiling from the blast. Zayan looks at his hands in disbelief. Ixt cliffside. Ruins. Dawn. They reach a ruined altar overlooking the sea. The eye shard begins to float, drawn to Zayan. He looks up at it, conflicted. A new map appears, but this time it shows only one path, and only one figure walking it. Zayan stumbles out of the wreckage, dazed and confused. He looks at the map in his hand and whispers, "What am I supposed to do?" As he does, he catches a glimpse of the eye shard embedded in Zayan's chest, glowing brightly. Realizing what he must do, Rayaan draws his sword and charges toward Zayan. With a determined shout, he strikes at the shard, shattering it and releasing a surge of dark energy. The altar trembles under the force of the blast. Zayan cries out in pain and collapses. Rayaan is thrown back by the force of the explosion, but he manages to land on his feet. He runs to Alina, helping her up. They turn to check on Zayan, but he has vanished. The fold, wounded but still alive, snarls at them. The battle's not over yet, Naira. The eye is chosen, but it hasn't decided. She reaches out to touch the floating shard, but it darts away from her, embedding itself into Zayan's chest. Naira, Zayan, you have to let it go. You can't keep it inside you. See you next time. He looks at her, pleading. I don't want to hurt anyone. I don't want to be a weapon. Naira comforts him. You won't. Not unless someone takes it from you. Suddenly, the ground shakes. The hollow flame has arrived. Rayaan, protect her. Rayaan rushes to Alina and helps her to her feet. Raya, we have to go. They run away from the collapsing cliffs just as the altar breaks apart. INT, cracked altar. Aftermath. The eye shard embeds itself into the altar. Alina finds him and quietly says, "It's not a team anymore." Zayan looks haunted. "Then I'll walk it alone." Fade out. To be continued. ... That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know in the comments what you think will happen next.